This is the S.R.Smith Pool Lift Deck Profile Sheet. A deck profile sheet is required when you submit an order for your pool lift so that our accessibility experts can recommend a pool lift that will be ADA compliant when installed on your pool. Pool lifts are ADA compliant when they meet all of the guidelines set forth by the Access Board. Some of the guidelines are product specific, such as the width of the pool lift seat and the requirement of footrests that move with the seat. But some of the ADA guidelines are installation specific. One example of an installation specific guideline is the requirement that the pool lift seat will submerge a minimum of 18 inches into the water when extended into the pool. Completion of a deck profile sheet is critical for our accessibility experts to ensure that your pool lift will be ADA compliant when installed. First, you may already have in mind a model of pool lift that you want. Checking a box here does not guarantee that your preferred lift will work for your application, but it will guide our accessibility experts in their analysis of your gutter configuration. Analysis of your gutter measurements may reveal that you need a more specific model of pool lift, such as an extended reach or a spa version. Please also note the following special considerations when selecting your pool lift. Our anchored and flanged pool lifts have minimum depth requirements for the concrete they are installed in. The Access, Multi-Lift, and Splash 300 all require at least a 4-inch deep concrete pad. The standard Splash requires at least a 6-inch deep concrete pad. Please consult the lift's owner's manual for further details. Another thing to note is that the multi-lift does not work on a pool with a radius, that is, a circular edge or curved wall as shown below. Some may be looking for a pool lift that can be installed in an existing anchor. Our Splash Round Post is a solution for these situations. The Splash Round Post fits perfectly into a 1.92-inch anchor. We also have adapters for several other sizes of round anchors. See the table for details. If seeking a Splash Round Post, please provide your deck to water level as well as the distance from the pool edge to the center of the anchor on your deck profile sheet. Next, identify the gutter configuration diagram that matches your pool. The following are images of common gutter configurations in real-life applications to help you in identifying your gutter. When in doubt, you can email a photo to sales@srsmith.com and an accessibility expert can help you. One common point of confusion when selecting a gutter configuration is the skimmer type gutter, shown here. Unless the pool lift is going to be installed or located on the deck directly above a skimmer, this doesn't need to be included in the dimension information you send us. After you've identified the gutter configuration that you are working with, fill out the required measurements in the spaces provided. Consult the gutter configuration diagram for which of the measurements are relevant to you. For example, a fully recessed gutter only requires measurement A, deck to waterline, and measurement D, width of gutter. You can leave the rest blank. To the right of the measurement blanks, you must check the box stating that you have verified that the installation location for the pool lift meets the ADA's clear deck space requirement. This is required for full compliance. Finally, fill out your personal information at the bottom. Remember that pool lift orders are not processed until a completed and approved deck profile sheet is on file with your purchase order. Fax your completed form to 503-266-4334 or email it to sales@srsmith.com.